Are you tired of spending more on replacement ink cartridges than you did on the printer itself? If you're ready to break the cycle of expensive refills and clogged nozzles, you've come to the right place. Welcome back to Top Home Finds. In today's video, we are breaking down the 5 best laser printers for 2026, specifically selected to maximize your office efficiency while drastically reducing your long-term printing costs. Before we dive into our top picks, please take a moment to like this video and let us know in the comments which printer you're currently using. Also, be sure to hit that subscribe button to support the channel and stay updated on the best smart solutions for your home. Let's get started! First up is the HP Color LaserJet Enterprise MFPM-480F. Here are some of the advantages of HP Color LaserJet Enterprise MFPM-480F. The Advanced Enterprise Grade Security. This MFP is equipped with HP's most robust security features, including HP Sure Start. High Performance Productivity. Engineered for maximum efficiency, the M480F delivers professional quality color printing, scanning, copying, and faxing with print speeds of up to 29 pages per minute and automatic two-sided printing to streamline demanding office workflows. Seamless fleet management. Utilizing HP Future Smart firmware, this device allows for a consistent user interface and features set across an entire printer fleet. Sustainable and compact design. The printer features a space-saving footprint suitable for shared work environments while adhering to rigorous energy efficiency standards. Check the description for more details on this product. Next up is the Brother MFC-L3780CDW. Here are some of the advantages of Brother MFC-L3780CDW. High-efficiency single-pass duplexing. This all-in-one printer streamlines office workflows with print speeds of up to 31 pages per minute. Enterprise-level triple-layer security. Engineered to safeguard sensitive data, the device features robust triple-layer security to protect documents, devices, and networks. Versatile connectivity options. The printer offers seamless integration into modern work environments through built-in dual-band wireless, gigabit Ethernet, and mobile printing capabilities. Professional-grade color output. Designed for high-impact business communications, it delivers vivid and sharp digital color printing while offering high yield. Check the description for more details on this product. Next up is the Xerox C235. Here are some of the advantages of Xerox C235. Comprehensive wireless connectivity. Equipped with built-in Wi-Fi and standard support for Apple AirPrint, Mopria, and Wi-Fi Direct. Compact and quiet form factor. Specifically engineered for home offices and small workspaces, the C235 features a space-saving footprint and operates with minimal noise. Streamlined multifunction efficiency. This all-in-one system consolidates printing, copying, scanning, and faxing into a single unit. Robust security framework. The device includes integrated security features that protect the network and sensitive data from unauthorized access. Check the description for more details on this product. Next up is the HP LaserJet M209d. Here are some of the advantages of HP LaserJet M209d. Industry-leading duplex speed. Engineered for maximum productivity, this printer delivers the fastest two-sided printing speeds in its class. Compact and intelligent design. Featuring a refined, space-saving footprint, the M209d fits seamlessly into tight workspaces and includes Smart Guided. Seamless mobile integration. Through the highly rated HP Smart app, users can execute high-quality scanning to cloud services. Enhanced connection reliability. The device is equipped with dual-band Wi-Fi featuring self-healing capabilities. Check the description for more details on this product. Here are some of the advantages of Canon imageClass MF-462DW in official US English. High-velocity monochrome performance. Engineered for demanding small to medium-sized workgroups. Single-pass duplex scanning. The integrated automatic document feeder supports high-speed, two-sided scanning in a single pass. Customizable user experience. Featuring a large 5-inch color touchscreen display, the device utilizes Canon's application library to allow users to create tailored. Robust multi-layered security. This model includes advanced security features designed to mitigate the risk of data loss and unauthorized access. Check the description for more details on this product. That concludes our list of the 5 best laser printers for 2026. Thank you so much for watching Top Home Finds. We truly appreciate your time and support. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more smart solutions to upgrade your home and office. We'll see you in the next one.